If you're not happy with the category Airbnb has assigned to your Airbnb listing, in this video, I will show you how you can ask Airbnb to change the category your property appears in. But before I go in there, let me just show you two things, what I mean by category and how you can check the category of your property. So what is category? When people are looking for properties, they can choose where they want to go, they can enter the dates, but then Airbnb shows these predefined filters and people can just click on a certain kind of category and it will automatically filter those properties. Now, this categorization is done by Airbnb's artificial intelligence and it can be wrong sometimes. In that case, you can go in, check it, and if you don't like it, if you think it is inaccurate, now you can ask Airbnb to correct it. But before we do that, let me show you how you can confirm which category your property appears in. For that, you need to log into your Airbnb account from your computer. Click on Switch to Hosting on the top right. That will take you to your hosting dashboard. Then click on Listings and then choose the listing. Once the listing page is open, you just scroll down. You will see Property Type. So click on Property Type. And under this, at the bottom of this page, you will see your category. For example, my property appears in iconic cities. Let's assume I'm not happy with the category and it is not an accurate reflection of my property. So how do you change it? For that, you need to go into this help guide, which Airbnb has created, explaining how listings are categorized, blah, blah, blah. When you scroll down, you will find this section. If you believe your listing is not correctly categorized, go to this link and you can request a change to the category. So sign in to Elevate. This is another system Airbnb has come up with in parallel. You click on it. You need to first sign in with your Airbnb credentials and then it loads the properties you have and it shows the categories they are appearing in. To request a new category, you can just click on Add a Category. And for example, you can say Bed and Breakfast and request to add. Once you've submitted that request, Airbnb will take 15 days to review your listing. And if they feel this is a more accurate category, they will assign it and you will receive a notification from them once it is done. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you. Until next time, bye-bye.